Skywalk Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God, we don't shout it down. They just call Percy Papa. Una no just clap. I no blame una na because say my ritual no work. If you say my ritual work now for the crack joke for me. So as I don't do comedy reach, don't do skits reach, nobody don't watch my skit before. I been now because I know wear my suit. If I say lekute, you say the apple here. Lekute. My brother, I no plan to do comedy. Now yahu I be dey do. Until my picker go return money. Baba Yahoo don't hard though. Last week one guy be Maga bill and back. Be Maga bill and back. The guy don't know when he open up. He say, Madam, I am Osas. If you can't send money, send food stuff. Yes, we are dying. Now that era we dey now. Now before you go see cripple, you go dey dash and money. At the entire just people just dey match cripple pass. Come on for road. Life hard for everybody. Come on there. Baba, if you see me dash cripple money now, just know say that me breaking leg. The way Nigeria be now, at Benin they stay Benin. Benin now they go deceive one guy, give am winch, they no give am feather join. The guy called the trek go Kovu. Who is join winch for so? Now use car killer. What God cannot do. Then people go to say, go school, your life will be better. Go school, my brother. Do you know that there's a Yahoo you will do? You'll be proud of yourself. You'll be proud of yourself. At the drive with one boy for Benin, you know, say police full Benin. Oh. Police they Benin. Oh. The boy they drive, the boy newly pick money, in body just they hot. Police just stop him. Now police ask him, what do you do? The boy just say, I am a deadly Yahoo boy. Police never hear that one before. The boy no fit talk. The boy just throw away 200K for police. Pope, constable no know when he use out of happiness. No know when he use gun to shoot DPO. Now the young boy say, why you shoot him? He say it's an obstacle. He said, I say, "Mo, stop you now." At the time I said, "I'm fine boy, may they go no great." Yahoo. Even for Benin, the Yahoo self no easy again. We Yahoo boys now they give their life to Christ because person no don't understand again. Hush puppy don't go they confess things. You know be hush puppy how or you go woman tell no say I be scam. Then people go to say English this. I be the respect for you until I hear English. The cab guy where he drop us, somebody just hit him. Neither one just come down. He said, why did you hit me? The guy where hit him saying, you, I will show you. Now he ask him, who do you be? The man where the jam said, you want to know who do me be? With confidence. Now me waka pass. I say, now where don't do maybe? When I did say, now there bad English end. Now when I was sit down for one seat here, I enter, I see empty seat. Now I ask the fine girl, because I see phone. I ask the fine girl, my sister, is this phone yours? She said, no, it's not my yours. He said, maybe it's the yours of the other girl that went away. The other girl, very fine girl, she just walked out and said, bros, the yours is not mine. If the yours is mine, I would have yours it away. Now me say, Mona, come on, yours sincerely. When I see say Nadia Wahala day, oh boy, I dey hear now say, Curtis, they fight for you. They fight for you. No, Benin Curtis fight, just be like normal thing now. Now only Benin how they keep people, just be like saying a game that they play. You they hear, now 2-4 now we are the win. Now people they kiss so Benin. Baba, the worst thing that can ever happen to a man. Now to join court today, war start tomorrow. And you never sabi their greeting. Your men go come, they tell you, say, I go do. You can't go, they shout power to the people. They go beat grace, come on from your body, they see the way, worry, una see they show love. Or they see one guy, they tell one girl just and say, please, after this show, just let's hang out. Beanie boy, don't hide. They know they toast girl. Yo, they hear, how far? Jenny, I don't hide, they with me. Beanie boy, get time to the toast girl. Tell me, I don't hide, what do they worry you? Then, let me tell you, some of una they overdo. Now you spend the money, you go and still want impress girl. Leader, Mr. Iman, nobody explain past man where he quick come. Oh. You come they tell the girl, my mother burial remembrance. Then they can't spray. How you go they spray they can't? My brother, you need to work on your spraying habit too. Baba, they go, which one you they spray they can't and say this one for rich for soup. Oh. Baba, you don't reach, you don't try. I'm gonna clap for him, You know why no one may finish the spray in the Omi money? And now one of my guys that they always support me. I'm gonna clap for the guy, no easy. Correct guy. My brother, things are hard these days. Now before, this boy they tell say, Tinubu 4, Oswald. It is say Tinubu 9, now the place 9 fall, now Tinubu 4 by himself. He want more na get story to the talk, so that I know remember say he never walk. Brain. You think say that's what you know if you hold on, they don't rehearsal. Say if I fall, do like say you don't see me. Brother Bernard, where don't rain pass, now Tinubu join you. Brother Bernard. And whether you like it or not, women makes life beautiful. So if you're a woman here, can you celebrate yourself? But our girls, una need to do better. Let me tell you something. Worry men are the most decent men in Nigeria. Listen to me. Worry man does not cheat. Let me explain to you. Leader, for example, you came to this show, you see a girl that you love, you tell the girl, baby, tell me, is that cheating? After the girl there with you, you tell the girl, don't walk alone, we are going home. There inside my car, is that cheating? Finally the girl followed you home. You won't go back. You can't discover, say you leave the girl for a room, she's lonely. You tell her, join me in the bedroom. And she join you. Is that cheating? And that same girl, as you debate yourself, you decide to join her body to bait her also. Is that cheating? After when don't finish, you enter room. She lie down, you self lie down. You bring her something, you plug it. Is that cheating? Worry man, oh yeah. No be cheating until you give the woman belly. Now, my brother, Nigeria police, they don't try. I want to clap for them. Benin police. Now, Benin, they drive one day. Policeman stopped me. Now, Baba, see, if you want pass police, have confidence. As I got the drive for Benin, police just stopped me. He said, what do you do? I don't want to tell us I be comedian. I said, sir, I am an entrepreneur. Policeman, ever hear that English before? Now he said, what do you preneur? Now the guy say, leave and make they go now, an entrepreneur now. You don't know those boys where they save money, oh? When I think say now there he end, police, very smart guy. The guy come find and say, when he tell they stop me so, I no use my seat belt. He can't put law for me. He said, when you were driving, you didn't use your seat belt. Put law for me when no get work. Now I say, sir, where were you when that same law of seat belt was amended that he who failed to use his seat belt can fasten his waist belt? The policeman just shout, DPO never tell us. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. My name is King James.
Skybrook Entertainment presents The Chronicles of Ushbebe Live in Warri, Yadadi 23.
Oh my God, we don't shout it down.